Hello and welcome. My name is Vickie-Marie and this is Ray, and we're going to be taking you through a body scan meditation. For this practice, you just need yourself, maybe a bolster or a meditation cushion if you have one of those, and then just beginning to come into your easy seat. That might be cross-legged or the legs staggered. Just beginning to take some little organic movements, circling at the waist. When the body and the mind are ready, beginning to find your stillness, shoulders over the hips, long spine. And softening or closing the eyes if you feel safe and comfortable. And just beginning to connect with your breath, beginning to connect with the inhales and the exhales through the nose. As the body begins to settle and the breath begins to come more even, we'll begin our body scan. So as I say a body part, just bringing your mind's eye to that body part. We'll have a round of breath before moving on. Not worrying or stressing if we lose track of which body part we're on. Just coming back to my voice and coming back to your breath. Crown of the head, forehead, temples, cheeks, lower jaw, shoulders, collarbones, upper arms, forearms, hands, fingertips, both arms from shoulders to fingertips. Shoulder blades, back of the rib cage, and lower back. Upper rib cage, heart space, and navel. The whole front of the body. A space where the legs meet the torso. Thighs, knees, shins. The feet, the tips of the toes, the whole leg from the top to the toes. the whole body from the crown through to the heart, navel, and toes. Let the whole body from the crown to the toes soften and relax. Begin to bring your awareness to the sit bones, and the parts of the body in contact with the mat or the earth. And we'll begin to take a deeper breath through the nose. And with every breath, we'll begin to invite gentle movement to the body once again. Maybe tucking the chin in towards the chest. Wiggling the fingers and the toes. And gently beginning to lift the chin. Softening the eyes, beginning to open. We'll begin to take one breath together to seal our body scan meditation. When ready, taking the arms up overhead. And exhaling the hands down into the heart space. Bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. And thank you for taking this brief body scan meditation with me. If you like to check out any of my other videos, check out the playlist in the description, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.